This video I'm going to show how to use parameters and just exactly what they are. So here I have just a regular box with a little lip, and I've used parameters throughout the box, but this one in particular, so this is the extrude for the lip. I will go to edit the feature, and here with lip extrude, I already have it inside there. So I have it, let's say we set it at 3 millimeters. This is the normal setting, just typing it in. What I could do is use the lip extrude parameter that I created. The reason for that is it'll allow me to adjust it. Now I could just go in here, click edit feature, and adjust here. Or I can put in lip extrude 3 millimeter, and now it's set. Now being set, I can go to my parameters and adjust. So say I want this to 10, it'll move up to 10. Now it seems a bit overdoing it. If you're doing a small project, there's really no need. You can just kind of do it really fast. But say you want to use this box for multiple projects, or you're kind of adjusting little by little. If you have everything fully constrained and also have the parameters, you can really go through adjusting these parameters and your box will change, dynamically. Another example of using the parameters is if you have predefined dimensions or measurements that you want to use in your project. So in this example, I'll show the dimensions for an iPhone if you were building a case or just something around the iPhone. You can build here. Now it's already highlighted with the first one. We'll just go 30 and tab to the second one and just hit 70 with it or enter. And you can type it in directly like that as well too. Or finish the sketch. Parameters is here. I have it in my toolbar, but it's under the modify at the bottom. Change parameters. You can add it to the toolbar using this here, but we'll go to change diameters, the plus sign to add, and I will add iPhone height. And the height is 147.6. So with that added, go into the sketch, double click, iPhone height, and I can add it in there. And on top of that, within here, I can say iPhone height plus 3. So I can also use it as a variable for my calculations anywhere in my sketches in the project. The other way to create it would be directly in the measurement. So I can go iPhone, I guess this would be the height, but let's just call this, width, and hit equals and 71.6 and hit enter that way. So you can also do it that way as well. The difference is when you go to your parameters, you'll have user parameters, and then this one will be sketched under favorites. I don't know why exactly it does that. And then of course your sketches will have underneath any dimensions that you put within your sketches will be under model parameters that you can use. I don't know why it does that exactly, but those are at least two options that you can do for the parameters. But again, user parameters you can type in directly. You can move this to your favorites if you want. You can take it off the favorites, and it will exist here within the sketch. Only when you actually create deliberate user parameters do they pop into the user parameters. If you're typing directly into the sketch dimensions, they will be under the model parameters under the sketch that you did, along with things like extrude or pipe and all those kind of things. The dimensions will be within the model parameters here.